Hola amigos, yo soy señora Marta, Miss Marta. Here I am again to another segment with Acorns to Trees with some beats. Let's learn about the numbers. Hola, today we're gonna learn the numbers in Español. Are you ready? So we're gonna count from 1 to 10. Let's do it. Repeat after me. Put your hands on your lap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Show me your whole hand. 5. Keep going. 6, 7, 8, 9. Both hands. 10. 10. Now you know how to count in Spanish. Let's practice at home. Remember, use your labs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's practice. See you next time. Adiós.